This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for November 26, 2024. It's currently October 13, 2024, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $579.58, that's USD. The shuffle video for the November 26 reading was created on October 3rd, 2024 at 1:55 p.m. Eastern Time. In this video, we're going to go over the overall trend direction for the day. We're going to talk about the chart behavior around the day's highest high and the chart behavior around the day's lowest low, as well as the general timing down to roughly about an hour as far as where they are throughout the day. And then we're going to get into where the best trades are and the chart behavior by the hour, basically. You have to give it plus or minus an hour here or there of wiggle room, and not in all readings, in a few readings here or there. But always pay attention to the sequence of events, because that will keep you on track if we are plus or minus a little bit here or there on the timing. The overall theme of behavior for the day, a nullified universe card indicating there's a sharp decline taking place, but the chart behavior somehow counteracts that decline. Behavior on the high side, a prominent move higher, and then a full retracement of that move, creating a peak at a high, and then a nullified low significator card, sideways rotation, but it's somehow nullified. Hard to read that one, guys. I'm advised to trade around a key resistance where we're kind of like flatten out for a bit, and it looks like it's probably here at the end of the day, where I was advised to open up a short, and then we close that short first thing in the morning here, like at the open, and be quick about it because there's a big move to the upside. Matter of fact, there might be a sharp drop right around the open into the low, and then there's a notable reversal. So we go from a day's high into a low, or we go from a day's low into a high. It's kind of hard to say. Like if we go from a day's low into a high, it's from a high to a low to a high. So it's either a low to a high or a high to a low to a high. Hard to say. But there's a reversal there in that first half hour at a high, and a notable decline into a trough before 11 o'clock, and then from that trough, a breakout to the upside, turning into bearish price swings between roughly 12 and 1, a trade opportunity at another trough taking place just before 1 o'clock, and then a big move to the upside, reaching for distant resistance taking place between 1 and 2. So that probably takes us back to the same high as early in the day. Either that or the move higher to reach for distant resistance takes us into it. We'll be in a range between roughly 2 and 3, like a sideways fluctuating range within a range, but probably we see the peak like the same high there again, either that or it's a crest, and eventually that turns into a pretty significant decline into a low probably in the last hour. No, matter of fact, it's a U-shaped dip in the last hour, and we come back to an important price level right at the close where we kind of flatten out and advise not to do anything foolish there at the close. So if I'm in a long position that I opened it around the open and I didn't close out of it already, close out of it at that key price level, probably don't want to open up a position for an overnight swing here. It's a little unclear. This is one of those days that will be a lot clearer in real time how to read the cards. But that's SPY for our November 26, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.